Welcome to our channel, where we bring you the latest and greatest tech reviews. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Lenovo V15 G2 business laptop. This powerhouse of a machine is designed to meet the demands of professionals and business users who require exceptional performance and reliability. Design. The Lenovo V15 G2 business laptop sports a sleek and modern design with a stylish black finish. Its slim profile and lightweight construction make it highly portable, allowing you to take it wherever your work may lead you. Whether you're in the office or on the go, this laptop's professional aesthetic will leave a lasting impression. Display. Feast your eyes on the brilliant 15.6-inch Full HD display of the V15 G2. With its vibrant colors and sharp details, you'll experience visuals that are truly captivating. Whether you're editing spreadsheets, designing presentations, or simply streaming your favorite content, this laptop's display delivers a truly immersive viewing experience. Processor. At the heart of the Lenovo V15 G2 is the Intel Core i7-1165G7 processor. This powerful processor ensures smooth multitasking and responsiveness, allowing you to tackle resource-intensive tasks with ease. From running demanding software to handling complex calculations, the i7 processor keeps your productivity levels soaring. Memory. The Lenovo V15 G2 comes equipped with 24 GB of RAM. With 24 GB of RAM, you'll have more than enough memory to handle demanding tasks, such as running multiple applications simultaneously, editing large files, or even engaging in some light video editing. This laptop can handle it all with ease. Storage. It comes with a spacious 1 TB PCIe SSD. With 1 TB of storage space, you can store a vast amount of files, documents, photos, videos, and even install your favorite games and software. Plus, the PCIe interface ensures lightning-fast read and write speeds, resulting in faster boot times and snappy application launches. Graphics. While the V15 G2 is primarily designed for business users, it doesn't compromise graphics performance. Integrated Intel Iris Xe graphics delivers smooth visuals, making this laptop suitable for casual gaming, graphic design, and video editing. Immerse yourself in your work or enjoy some downtime with stunning visuals. Keyboard. The V15 G2 features a full-sized keyboard with a comfortable layout and well-spaced keys. The keys have a nice tactile feel to them, providing a satisfying typing experience. Whether you're typing out reports, drafting emails, or engaging in creative writing, the keyboard on this laptop will make your fingers dance with delight. Additionally, it includes a nifty feature, a dedicated number pad on the right-hand side. This is a fantastic addition for business professionals, accountants, or anyone who deals with numbers frequently. It saves you the hassle of switching between the main keyboard and an external numeric keypad. Trackpad. The trackpad on the Lenovo V15 G2 is spacious, responsive, and precise. It supports multi-touch gestures, allowing you to navigate through Windows 11 Pro with ease. You can swipe, pinch, and scroll effortlessly, enhancing your productivity and workflow. Another noteworthy feature of the trackpad is its accuracy and palm rejection capability. The V15 G2's trackpad recognizes your touch accurately and ensures that accidental palm touches don't interfere with your work. It's a small detail that can make a big difference in your day-to-day usage. Connectivity. When it comes to connectivity options, the V15 G2 has you covered. It features HDMI, Type-C, and RJ45 ports, providing flexibility for connecting to external displays, projectors, and networks. With Wi-Fi support, you can stay connected to the internet no matter where you are. This laptop ensures you have all the connectivity options you need to stay productive. Speaker. The V15 G2 is equipped with high-quality speakers that deliver crisp and clear audio. Whether you're listening to music, participating in conference calls, or watching videos, the speakers offer an immersive sound experience. Say goodbye to muffled audio and enjoy rich sound that enhances your multimedia experience. Battery. One of the most crucial aspects of any laptop is battery life, and the V15 G2 doesn't disappoint. With its efficient power management, this laptop can keep up with your work demands throughout the day without requiring frequent recharging. Cooling. Additionally, the robust cooling system ensures that the laptop remains cool even during extended usage, preventing any performance throttling. Webcam. In today's remote work environment, a reliable webcam is essential, and the V15 G2 delivers. The built-in webcam captures clear and detailed video, making virtual meetings and conferences a breeze. Stay connected with your colleagues and clients, and present yourself professionally, thanks to this high-quality webcam. Operating system. This device comes pre-installed with the latest Windows 11 Pro operating system. This means you get all the benefits of a cutting-edge operating system, tailored specifically for business users. Windows 11 Pro offers a sleek and intuitive user interface, making it a breeze to navigate through tasks and applications. Conclusion. The Lenovo V15 G2 business laptop is a powerhouse that combines sleek design, impressive performance, and versatile features. Its sleek and professional design is ideal for business environments. With its stunning display, powerful processor, ample memory and storage, excellent connectivity options, and user-friendly features, this laptop is a true workhorse. Whether you're a professional, a business user, or someone who appreciates a reliable and high-performing laptop, the V15 G2 is sure to exceed your expectations. Thank you for joining us today to learn about the Lenovo V15 G2 business laptop. If you're interested in purchasing this laptop, please check the description below for the link to buy it from Amazon. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting tech reviews. Until next time, happy computing!